How to report missing or incorrect food on DoorDash. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can report missing or incorrect food on DoorDash. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to do is locate your order that has been wrong, or you can simply head over to the help section. For the help section, you can just go to your DoorDash app, go to your account, then tap on the order that is in question, then tap on help or help center. You can do that on DoorDash website as well. So basically after you tap on that, you can then under order issues or select missing or incorrect items. As you can see right here, this is the steps here. Tap on orders tab. Then after you do that, follow the prompt on the screen and then you can simply report it. And after you submit the report, DoorDash will get back to you. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.